Students, so in this video I will discuss now how to draw the sectional top view of this component. So here you can see in the top view what you will see, you can see this 28 mm dimension, this depth and 120 mm length. So length 120 and depth is 28. So now I will be drawing the outline first, then I will be doing the sectioning as well. So again I am taking 10 mm suitable distance from this XY line. Okay, so I am taking 10 mm suitable distance. First I will draw the projectors, vertical projectors. Okay, and then I will take suitable distance. Vertical projector I will draw throughout. Okay, so here again, and yes, now I am taking 10 mm suitable distance. So this is the 10 mm. Okay, and then now I will draw. This is 120 already, no need to measure because I have already drawn the vertical projectors. Okay, so this is one. Other side is, it is 20 mm, 28 mm. You can see here. (20 mm) 28. So this depth is 28 mm. It is given. You can see here. This is 28. So this is 10, 20, and 28 up to here. Okay, and then I will draw the horizontal line 120 mm. So this is 128 and this is 28. This one is 28 and horizontal it is 120. Okay, so this is 28. Now I will join this. It will be 120. Okay, now this is the outline. Now you can see. Now next is what you can see here. Here it is and this is, you can see here. So what you can see, so 28 by 120 is there. Then there are two holes. Okay, and after sectioning what will happen? After sectioning what will happen? So it is 14 mm. There are two depths, one is 28 and other depth is 14 mm. That is the slot. That 14 mm will be visible now. So this 14 mm, after sectioning and removing the upper half portion, you will be able to see this 14 mm as well. Okay, and 14 mm and 28 mm both edges will be, this 28 mm slot up to this, it will be visible, and 14 mm edge will be visible as well. Okay, now one 14 mm line I will draw first. So means its half will be there. So 14 mm from here you can see it is 14. Okay, so this line will be visible. Okay, so this is just the middle of this. Now what will be the next now? Okay, and now what you can see? So there are two holes. Okay, in this 14 mm slot there are two holes. One is dia 20 and other is dia 30, and depth is 7 mm. It is given 7 mm for 30 and 7 mm is for 20. So total is 14. Okay, so it is again going to be projected. Now first I will draw the center line throughout from the front view. You can see. So this is the center line I will draw. So this is the center line. Okay, and then what is next? Now you can also measure this 20 mm hole. 20 mm hole, it is 7 mm from this 14 mm. Now it is 7 mm from here, you can see. So I am just projected it. First I will project it. Okay, and project it the 30 mm hole as well. Okay, so these are the, now you can see 7 mm, 20 mm and 7 mm is, yes, so this is 7 mm. This hole is 7 mm, and this is also 7 mm, 30 mm hole, and it will be shown as rectangles because yes, its true shape is visible in the front view. Now I will join this. Okay, and on the other side same. On the other side it is again same. 7 mm here you can see, this is 7 and 7 this as well. Now I will join this. Okay, so this is the top view. Now you have to section which portion you have to section. Now you can see this is the cutting plane line. Now it is touching here throughout, so it is starting from here, this edge up to these holes. Okay, up to these holes, then it is hollow, and on the other side same as well. Okay, it is throughout then, and I will be drawing the section lines now. So what will happen, just I have to measure 45 degree. Okay, you can measure it 45 and then you can draw this. Now I have measured 45 degree angle. You can use a protector as well. I will be drawing the section lines. Okay, at 45 degree angle and equispaced. So now I will draw the section lines on the other side as well. So you can simply move this. Okay, and you need to draw the parallel lines. Once you measure 45 degree angle, then you need to only move the scale parallel to these lines. Now I have done this sectioning. Now you can see. Okay, now only thing is that dimensioning is left. Now I will do the dimensioning. So section lines you can check, it is 45 degree angle and equispaced, and color should be thin. It should be thin. A line should be thin and light in color. Now I will be doing the dimensioning only. Now this is dimensioning is done now, you can see. So this is the sectional top view, and above is you can see here it is front view. Okay, and this is sectional top view. That thing you can mention, and XY is also there, you can check. Okay, so this is complete now. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you have got it. Thank you very much.